Well, my question for you today is, we had a little bit of spring there was a few flowers up, and then all of a sudden we got a dump of snow. And now I'm wondering, when do I take my winter tires off?
That was fake spring.
That was fake.
Yeah. Well, 7 degrees Celsius consistently is pretty much the standard for what you want to be seeing. Once you feel like spring has sprung and winter is done, and we're above 7 degrees, it's time to get your summer tires on. Below 7 degrees, keep the winters on until you feel confident that spring has arrived.
Well, that's a good tip. The magic number then is 7.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll watch for it. Thanks so much, Brian.
Okay.
Okay.